Welcome everybody to Clarington Kia. Take a look at this 2022 Kia Sorento X-Line all-wheel drive. If you are looking for a very comfortable 6-passenger SUV that's got a ton of style and some incredible features, this Sorento should be at the top of your list. It has only 40,000 kilometers, no accident history, and it is in fantastic condition. Let's face it, black on black. I mean, come on, this is incredible. We're going to take you on a tour as if you were here with us at the store so you can get a great look from the comfort of your own home. Now, underneath the hood, this Sorento features the 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine connected to an 8-speed dual clutch transmission. That is different from the base model, which has just a naturally aspirated 2.4. So you get a bigger, more powerful engine with this, but you get the same great fuel economy. It really is fantastic. All-wheel drive for all the crazy Ontario weather that we have, but on beautiful days like today, you are riding around in style. The X-Line gives you these fantastic looking 20-inch alloy wheels, great looking set of wheels up front. We've also got the roof rails up top, so the ladder style roof rails, all the black, piano black accents on the outside. Love the little X-Line badge right there. LED turn signals in the side view mirrors. And then taking a step back, you can see it's a fantastic size SUV. We have captain's chairs in the second row and then nice third row seats. We'll show you that when we get to the inside. Up top, integrated rear spoiler, signature Sorento taillights. And then I love the Sorento badge across the back of the trunk lid. They got rid of that in newer model years. I don't think they should have. I think they should have kept it. Popping open the trunk, there's lots of room here with the third row seat up. And then of course, if you want to fold these down really quickly, just grab this, give it a pull, and down they go. And then you have this nice flat cargo system for when you don't have passengers in the third row. When you do, the rear passengers have ventilation, USB port, and cup holders as well. So it's not like they're riding back there kind of wishing they were in that second row seat. It's still nice and comfortable, and you still got access to charging ports, so that way there's no fighting over USB. Now, closing this up, coming around the passenger side so you can see all four corners. You can see it's in fantastic condition. And then we'll come up front where you get a look at the nice Sorento headlights. These are always so cool. Look at these. So LED daytime running lights and LED headlights. And then this nice front grille that finishes off the Sorento exterior. Looks so nice. All right, now let's go take a look in the second row. We'll show you the captain's chairs, and then we will show you the front as well. So inside the second row, we have these nice captain's chair seating. They are reclining seats. We have the center armrest here as well. Non-smoking interior, rear ventilation, USB port, 12-volt port, another USB port on each of the driver and passenger seats there. And then to get into the third row seat, you just push this button and everything slides forward so you can hop into the third row. Now you can see even with that second row seat back, there's still lots of room for third row passenger legs, but of course these are on sliders. They can move forward, so that way you have even more room in the third row. Now up front, we have the same great seats. We have a power driver's seat, and these are 3-stage heated front seats as well. So nice and comfortable in the wintertime. And then hopping in, have a look around this Sorento interior. It is so nice, so nicely laid out. Love the little pattern on the door panel that heads up into the dash, which leads into our infotainment and center console area. Now, safety features include forward emergency braking, forward collision warning. We have lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. We have blind spot warning and blind spot collision avoidance assist. So if there is a car in your blind spot and you go to make a lane change, it will actually keep you in your lane so you don't move into that oncoming traffic. Automatic headlights, a great rear view camera, rear moving object detection. I'll get that one right. In the rear view camera as well. We'll show you that, don't worry. Now, up front, leather wrapped heated steering wheel. That is a must. We've got our radio and Bluetooth controls. We have our cruise control on the other side. We also have paddle shifters for that 8-speed dual clutch transmission. And then in the center display here, you can see 40,675 kilometers. Incredible kilometers for a 2022. Now, in the infotainment system here, you can see we have phone projection, which is your wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have quiet mode, which turns off your rear speakers. And then we have a nice clear rear view camera system. Moving down from that, we have our dual zone climate control, so driver and passenger independent temperatures. And then we have our 3-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger. And then underneath this console is more USB ports and a wireless charging pad. So you can charge up your cell phone down in there, plus 3 other items, which is pretty cool. Our nice center console. And then here we have our drive and terrain select control. So you can see in drive mode, we have Eco, Sport, and Smart. I'll flip that so you can see it's kind of hard to see. There we go. Eco, Sport, and Smart, and Comfort. So that's going to change the way the engine and transmission handle as far as fuel economy versus super fun to drive. And then terrain control is snow, mud, and sand. So if you find yourself in one of those particular situations, you can certainly change that around if you like. Our heated steering wheel, electronic parking brake with auto hold, the rear parking sensors, the backup camera, it's all kind of here nice and centrally laid out. And then we have our push button start on the steering wheel here. And then last but not least, if I can fish the keys out of my pocket, this is why I put them in the cup holder most of the time. Stand by 1 second. We have a remote start with the Sorento as well. You can see that right here on the key fob. Give that a push and it will get the car cooled off or warmed up depending on whatever crazy climate we seem to be having. And then last but not least is our Carfax. So you can see here, low kilometers, no accident or damage records found. We have 5 service records on file as well. You can check that out on the Carfax when you come here. And that's what you should be doing now. You should book your appointment to come and take a look at this 2022 Kia Sorento X-Line 6-passenger, beautiful SUV. The family will love it. You'll love it too. It's great on fuel, and it is absolutely gorgeous in black. Come and visit us here at Clarington Kia. Bring the whole family, and we'll treat you right. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see you soon.